What is up, guys? Osha here, back with another video, and today what we're doing is we're taking a look at the Sonos Move. This is a portable, small, compact, and really great sounding speaker for you to take anywhere you want to go. It is Alexa built in, it works with Apple AirPlay, Google Assistant, it also has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. And that's pretty much it. And then on this side, it shows you that there's a little grab handle on the back of it. On the bottom, nothing. Here we go. Let's go ahead and do this. There's no need for a unboxing knife. Just pull tab right here. Right here is some papers. Go ahead and open it up for you guys. It's a quick start guide, and that's it. This is some packaging. Oh wow, that's heavy. All right, and that's pretty much everything for the box. Here's the little pouch that it comes with. It has a charging cable on the front of it. I'm assuming this is where the charging dock is, because this charges using the charging dock. All right, so here's the charging stand, and then here's the speaker itself. This is actually a pretty heavy duty speaker. Comes in this nice felt like material carrying bag. So right here it has the pull tab with a move on it. Go ahead and pull that out right here, and then open this out. And then here's the speaker itself. Now this speaker is actually pretty heavy. This is about, I would say maybe 8 pounds, 9 pounds, roughly around there. This is the handle right here on the back. You can just grab it right here, power button. Then you also have Bluetooth or Wi-Fi connectivity. Then this is the pairing button for the Sonos app, which this uses the Sonos app. And in case you don't want to use the charging cradle, by the way, I like that they did this. You have USB-C to charge this as well. So it's not just stuck to the cradle. The cradle is more for like an aesthetic look. Like you can just have it mounted, fixed right here, and it'll start charging. That's a cool thing. But like, let's say you want to take this out to the beach or something, you have the ability to charge this with a power bank with USB-C or something like that, and it's really cool. Okay, so now we're back in Epidemic Sounds. I'm gonna go ahead and play a song now. I'm gonna go max volume. Let's see. I'm actually genuinely blown away by how this sounds. It sounds incredible. It sounds so good. The bass is on point. It's got actually a lot of bass. And it's also got really clear mids and highs. Good bass. It's not like where it's like fake bass. It sounds good and legit. And it actually shakes the table a little bit. Bluetooth, it works actually flawlessly. Here's the volume down and volume up. And then you just press play or pause. Pretty much self-explanatory. If you can get this on sale, I would say yes. Don't hesitate to get it. Definitely get this. Is it worth 400 bucks? No. But if it's on sale, yes. If you can get this for like 300 bucks, 100%. This is definitely worth it. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and make an update video later on, giving you guys my honest opinions. I'm gonna use this as my main speaker for my entire setup, my computers and everything. I'm gonna use this as my main setup because of this cradle, it fits right in with my aesthetics of my desk, and so it's honestly a perfect speaker just for me. It's honestly the perfect speaker for my Windows computer. Unfortunately, my Mac is it's airplaying to HomePods, and I don't really have one for the Windows side. So this is actually a perfect contender for the Windows side. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this for a full-blown week, and I'm gonna give you guys my thoughts and opinions in about a week. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.